Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to check if an Excel session is running in the background. This is useful really not just for Excel, but for any time you want to see if a particular application is running at any time on your computer. So I'm going to show you how to do this on a Mac, and then I'm going to tell you how to do it on Windows as well. This is my screen on a Mac, and I happen to have the browser open right now. And what you want to do is hold the Option and Command keys down and then hit Escape. And when you do that, you can see all of the applications that are open. And sure enough, Excel is open right now. And if you wanted to, you could click any of these. You can force quit from here, which is another good thing to know how to do. I don't want to do that. On a Windows machine, it's just Control-Alt-Delete. Gets you a similar kind of a menu that shows you what applications are open. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to find out if Excel is running in the background. Thanks for watching.